It's like 6 a.m, 6:17 a.m, and there's some background noise. I'm sure it's helping with my mic, but we live right by the street, so I'm sorry if you can hear a lot of street noise right now. I'm just getting ready for my first day of college now. So yeah, I'll try to vlog the rest of my day on my phone. I'm fixing my vlog camera right now, so that's why I'm using my larger camera, if you can tell. So yeah, let's do it. Let's get ready for college. What the fudge? And it's also really hot. There's like no AC in our dorm, so.
If a motherfucker test me, I'ma make his neck bleed. All this weight be hefty. I say for my besties, always right, no lefty. Oh, don't stress me, double OT. I need more sleep, so don't test me. I ain't want things to get messy. Yeah, drop down and leave your ass empty. Yeah, like I just wanna hit delete. Come and test me, hit you with that smite. I'm inside the jungle, I said, little baby, I be buzzing. You want bumble, she want fuck, don't be coming at me. Skinny boy, you need beef. I wanna drop out to school, nobody be testing me. This not no quiz, motherfuckers acting silly. Made me show 'em how it is, big bully in the city. I'ma make it off the web like a spider when it bit me. I know that she boring, she just lucky that she pretty. If a motherfucker test me, I'ma make his neck bleed. All this weight be hefty. I say for my besties, always right, no lefty. Oh, don't stress me, double OT. I need more sleep, so don't test me. I ain't want things to get messy. Yeah, drop down and leave your ass empty. Yeah, like I just wanna hit delete. Motherfucker, I told you don't test me. I ain't want things to get messy. Yeah, drop down and leave your ass empty. Yeah, like I just wanna hit delete. Come and test me. Yeah, wait, need my fix your face. Tongue be tied like a lace. Give me loot, you not safe. Be a G to the grave. Fuck you saying, I got aim. You a stain to my bliss. You don't need no sob if you tryna feel this kick. Chasing all this cheese and I like my bitches Swiss. Money be my hoe when I make her do the splits. Punching in my hours, bitch, we only making hits. Yeah, find my wave, you'll find the way. Fuck around in front of my piss.
Okay, so this is my outfit for today. This is basically all I've been wearing here in London since we got here. So, but I'm wearing a white tank top from 𝐋𝐄𝐄 and my shorts are from 𝐂, I'm pretty sure. And then my long blazer right here is from Primark that I bought like 2 years ago. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna change out the blazer. It's a little long, so it looks like I'm not wearing pants in the back, but it's white, so it'll feel better. Today is like super hot. It's gonna hit like 89, 90 today. It was the same yesterday and it's gonna be the same tomorrow, I'm pretty sure. Or it's gonna be colder tomorrow. I think it's gonna be cold tomorrow, never mind. But it's super hot, so I'm just wearing this blazer to be like indoors, but once I get outside in the afternoon, yeah, this is not gonna be on. But I thought I'd just layer up because it's still like 60 degrees like right now in the morning. So yeah, and then I'm just gonna throw on my sneakers because that's all I've been wearing and I'm not that creative. So, and this is my makeup. Can you guys see? It's just very natural. I didn't bring a lot of my makeup with me, just like all my favorites. And I'm wearing my lashes from 𝐋𝐿, the ritzy style that I wear a lot for like the natural makeup days. So that's what I did. And I'm wearing second day hair, so that's it. Just outside waiting for my friends to come out, and then we're gonna walk to the tube and we're gonna go ahead and head to the British Museum because our first class today is a culture class about London, and we are going to the British Museum for our very first class, and it should be fun. I'm standing here in the sun away from my other resident hallmates because I'm scared of all of them. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just sit outside because it feels so much nicer out here compared to inside. And my makeup looks pretty good in the sun. So yeah, that is all for right now. I'm gonna film my walk to the tube. It's actually really, really pretty today. And yeah.
Told myself that I'm alright. Told my friends I'll be fine. Told my mom that I got friends, I still do. I do. And oh, I feel all alone. Turning on my bed, scrolling fast on my phone.
We just did our class scavenger hunt for some artifacts at the museum. We're at the British Museum for class today, and we're going back to our lecture for another hour. Woo!
I'm lost and I know for sure. I know, 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 okay. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. I look into the mirror, I'm like, who this is?
We just got out of econ and it was so hot. It was so hot. We had like 2 fans going and nothing at all. It was a lot. But our first day of classes are done. Great. Okay guys, so I am now home. It is 4:49. My roommate just went out for a run not too long ago, but JC called me. I answered that and I just did some work stuff on my laptop, and I actually got my fan in from Amazon. I ordered that and I ordered another adapter. But yeah, I just opened up those packages, cleaned up a little bit, and that's about it for my very first day of college. I'm sorry if it was a little informal with the whole phone vlogging. I'm still fixing my vlogging camera right now, so I'll get that done soon so I can do some proper college vlogs for you guys. So this is my very first one. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I can't believe I'm already starting my like college first day get ready with me, because I remember filming my freshman year one in high school, and I can't believe it's already freshman year of college and we're doing it in London. So yeah, stay tuned for more content, and I will see you guys in the next video.
You just wanna get high, next day you forgot that I told you that. This my niche, play my role, what you hold, little boy best don't reach. Your shit dirt, you get curved, I just saw and reap. With that ease, hella clean, rips all on your knees. That's that work when you hurt, my head full of steam. I got lucid dreams, I make movie scenes.